The holiday season is well and truly upon us, and with it comes the excitement of watching the kids and family be together and interact during some much needed time away from the regular day-to-day. Now for some, this means enjoying a brand new shiny Xbox, an experience that can offer endless hours of fun, connection, creativity, and learning as well. But navigating the gaming world can seem a bit daunting to some, especially those that are new to that gaming world. From questions around online gaming communities to regulating screen time content, appropriateness, and how to maintain safety. It can quickly feel pretty overwhelming at times, but fortunately, Xbox makes it easy for adults to make the right choices for their families. The single most important thing you can do when setting up a new Xbox console is to select yes when asked, will this console be used by kids? By spending just a few minutes setting up an Xbox child account versus having them use your existing account, you're building a safer, more tailored experience for them and one that's right for your family. And that's easy to adjust as your little ones grow up. But don't worry, you won't have to buy your games again and again to allow your child to play on the same console you will. However, you have control over which of these games they're allowed to play, how long they can play, who they can communicate with, and a few more other important things too. Once you set up your Xbox console, you can keep the experience safe by downloading the Xbox Family Settings app for your Android or iOS device. This powerful tool allows you to easily tailor your child's gaming experience from anywhere, even if you're nowhere near your Xbox. So here's a few handy features that can truly show what it can do. There's screen time management, where you can set time limits to manage how long your child can play each day. Parents, grandparents, aunties, uncles all tell us that one of their favorite features is the ability for kids to request extra time, which you can easily approve or reject right from within the app. You can even pause time temporarily from the app, the perfect way to say that dinner is ready. With content filters, the app allows you to tailor the content that your child can access, blocking games that are too mature and ensuring they only see age-appropriate content that you approve. Purchase limits and approvals prevent unexpected purchases by approving each purchase through the Ask to Buy feature. To reward good behavior, you can easily add funds to a child's account for future purchases. You'll have access to communication controls, so you can decide who your child can communicate with during their gaming sessions with effective and robust controls. You can manage your child's friend list and review incoming requests, and you can even restrict communication to just friends or just block it entirely. And with activity reporting, you'll stay informed with weekly activity reports that give you an overview of what your child is playing, how long they've played, and any requests they've made for additional time or new games. That's probably my favorite one right there. So once you've curated the experience you'd like your children to have, the only question is, what should you play together? Xbox Game Pass offers great value with access to hundreds of games for one monthly price, including a diverse range of family-friendly games that everyone can enjoy. From action-packed adventures to educational games, there really is something for everyone. You can check out an updated list of family-friendly titles right there in the Game Pass area on your Xbox console. Remember, playing games can stimulate creativity, improve hand-eye coordination, and offer a sense of achievement. They can also be a fantastic way for children to unwind and connect with friends, or just be the center of your family's game night, especially in today's digital age. With the robust features built into your Xbox console and managed by the Xbox Family Settings app, you can ensure that your child's gaming experience is as safe and controlled as you need it to be.